What if death isn't the end, but just a transformation? A new and controversial quantum theory is challenging everything we think we know about life, death, and consciousness. According to recent research, when our bodies die, our awareness, the very essence of who we are, might not simply vanish. Instead, it could shift into another layer of reality, governed by the strange and mysterious laws of quantum physics. Let's explore how this bold idea is reshaping one of humanity's oldest debates. What really happens when we die? Consciousness has always puzzled scientists. We can measure brain activity, emotions, and memories, but the feeling of being aware, that inner sense of "I exist," remains one of science's deepest mysteries. Traditional neuroscience says consciousness arises from brain activity, and when the brain stops, so does the mind. But some physicists and neuroscientists think there's more to the story. They believe the mind may be a quantum process, something that doesn't fully depend on the physical brain at all. Quantum mechanics is the science of the tiniest particles, electrons, photons, and atoms, where reality behaves in bizarre ways. Particles can exist in multiple places at once, influence each other instantly across space, and change behavior the moment they're observed. Some scientists, like Dr. Roger Penrose and Dr. Stuart Hameroff, have suggested that these quantum effects could occur inside the brain's neurons. If true, consciousness might not be a simple byproduct of biology, but a fundamental property of the universe itself, something woven into the very fabric of reality. Now, a new quantum theory builds on this idea. Researchers propose that when we die, the quantum information, the energy patterns linked to our consciousness, doesn't just disappear. Instead, it disperses into the universe, similar to how energy never truly dies. It only changes form. In this view, death could be a shift, not an end, a movement of awareness from one state of existence to another. Some even compare it to how a wave collapses into a particle in quantum mechanics. Consciousness might collapse out of the physical body and return to a broader quantum field that exists beyond space and time. Now, to be clear, this theory is still highly speculative. Many neuroscientists argue there's no hard evidence that consciousness is quantum. The brain is warm, wet, and noisy, not an ideal environment for delicate quantum states to survive. But supporters counter that quantum effects have been observed in biological systems, like photosynthesis and bird navigation. If nature can sustain quantum coherence in those cases, why not in the brain? The implications are enormous. If consciousness really is quantum and not purely biological, it means part of us might continue existing, not as a ghost or a spirit in the traditional sense, but as energy or information embedded in the universe itself. This theory also reopens old spiritual questions through the lens of science. What we call life and death might just be different expressions of the same underlying reality, energy transforming, awareness continuing in ways we can't yet comprehend. It doesn't prove reincarnation or an afterlife, but it suggests that consciousness could be more than just neurons firing in the dark. It might be something infinite, something that can't be destroyed, only transformed. Whether this theory turns out to be true or not, it pushes us to look deeper into what makes us us. Are we just bodies and brains, or something far greater? Quantum beings experiencing a brief moment in time? What do you think? Could death simply be a change in state rather than the end of existence? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of science, consciousness, and reality. Until next time, stay curious, and remember, the answers may lie deeper than we ever imagined.